Hello and thank you for watching. This is Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano. This is a short 5-part warm-up for the key of C. And it's a basic warm-up. We're going to cover C scales. We're going to cover primary chords, chord progression, arpeggios, and intervals in this short warm-up. This is patterned after the MTNA Music Literacy Program. That's an organization in the United States. It's a great warm-up. Today's version is in the key of C major. I plan to do videos for every major and minor key, so please stay tuned. So let's get started. First, we're going to play a 1-octave scale in the key of C major. We're going to do it 3 different ways. The first way is what's called tetrachord. So you've got 4 fingers in each hand. Play the scale up and down, so we're not going to use our thumbs. We're going to play that same scale up and down, right hand alone. Notice finger 3 is the crossover. Now we're going to do that same scale, left hand alone, crossing with 3 after we get to the thumb. Now, hands together. 1 octave up and down, crossing after 3. Right hand cross, left hand cross, left hand cross, right hand cross. Part 2, we're going to find the tonic and the dominant chords. All of the members of the scale have names. The name of the first note of the scale is called the tonic. The name of the 5th chord at the scale is called the dominant. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take these notes from the scale and we're going to create a chord. So this is called the tonic chord, or the 1 chord, because it's based on the first note of the scale. And then we're going to move up, put our thumb where our pinky was, and we're going to still use scale notes. And this is called the dominant chord, or the 5 chord. So let's just go back. 1 chord, 5 chord, tonic, dominant, and these are called your primary chords. If you were playing them with the left hand, it would look like this. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to play what's called a chord progression. So this chord progression is going to be a 1, 5, 1, and then a 1, 5, 7, 1. These are chords that we use all the time in music, so we're just getting them under our fingers. So we're going to take this 1 chord, tonic chord, C chord, and instead of popping up like we did before, we're just going to keep that G where it is, and we're going to just scoot our thumb down 1. See how the notes are the same? G, B, D. Instead, it's going to be B, D, G. 1, 5, 1. Now, another very common version of the 5 chord is called the 5-7. So what we're going to do, instead of playing finger 2 here, we're going to play a different note. If we started on that dominant chord and then we added a note 7th higher than that G, that's what that 7 is standing for. So when we play the chord progression, we're not going to play the D. We're going to scoot the thumb down, and instead of playing D, we're going to play F, like this. Let me do that one more time. 1, 5, 7, 1. Now let me do both of them with the left hand. We have the 1 chord. Fingers 5 and 3 are going to move down for the 5 chord. Back up for the 1 chord, the tonic chord. Now we have tonic. Play finger 2 where it is. Scoot the pinky down. 5, 7, 1. 1, 5, 7, 1. Step number 4 of this warm-up is called an arpeggio. And what we're doing is we're taking this tonic or 1 or C chord, and we're going to play the notes one at a time. First, we're going to play the left hand, then we're going to play the right hand, then we're going to cross over the left hand and just play 1 note, C, because it's a C chord, and then we're going to come back down. So it's going to be like this. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. Play this with finger 2, 2, then back down. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. And now just for fun, Do that again with the pedal. Finally, step 5, we're just going to play some intervals. Interval is the distance between two notes in this C scale. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk up the scale playing the intervals. So if we play C and D, that's called a second, C and E, third, C and F, fourth, fifth, sixth. Let's do that with the left hand. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We're using the notes of the scale to play those intervals. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you subscribe and share and even donate if you found this helpful. I love to know where you're from. Please leave that for me in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.